Guangzhou Diwei Electronics Company Limited was founded in 2015 and devoted ourselves to be the high-quality and efficient connector and cable supplier. We specialized in waterproof cables and waterproof connectors such as M5, M8, M12, M16, M23, NMEA 2000. Also have military waterproof connector, push-pull self-locking connector, RJ45 waterproof connector, quick connect connector, LED waterproof connector, circular aviation connector, etc. They are mainly applied in sensors, industrial equipment, transportation facilities, medical devices, LED displays, outdoor advertisements, communication devices, wind energy devices, vessel industrial and surrounding the car electronics industry, and so on. They are equivalent to Phoenix, Binder, Amphenol, Lumberg, and Molex, etc. brand. Our products with CE, UL, RoHS certification, mainly exported to developed industrial countries such as America, Austria, Sweden, Belgium, Germany, British, Spain, and Asian, Israel, etc. Meanwhile, we have agents and customers all over the world and speaking highly of by our customers. Guangzhou Diwei Electronics Company Limited is committed to being the world's leading connector and wire cable harness supplier in industrial connectivity. We own experienced sales team, powerful hardware and professional technical team to provide customer with customized connector cable solutions. We upholds quality first, customer first, continuous improvement. Try our best to supply the excellent product and service. Buy connectors and cables. Diwei would be your good choice and accompany you all the time.